Good day, viewers at home. Welcome to another lesson on logarithm of numbers. But this time around, we are taking logarithm of numbers less than 1. These kind of numbers that are 0 point something. Those ones are referred to as numbers less than 1. So we follow the same procedure for numbers that are greater than 1, but there are just little differences. So as usual, when you have 0.003841 multiplied by 0.0193, you have to multiply these two numbers without using calculator. That means with the use of 4-figured tables. So usually you write number log, then you put 0.003841, then the other one is 0.0193. So the first thing to get here is the integer or the characteristics. So just like when you want to write a number in standard form, from this first digit after decimal point, you count 1, 2, 3. You are going to stop counting when you get to the first significant figure. That means you're counting the zeros. 1, 2, then this is the first significant figure. We are going to stop at that. So since we now have 1, 2, 3, so it's going to be bar 3. This bar 3 means minus 3. You know, if you are to write this number now in standard form, your 10 is going to be raised to power what? Minus 3. So that's where this one is coming from. Then here, if you count 1, 2, the first significant figure here is 1. So, and that is the second digit. So we are going to count 1, 2. We have bar 2. So now we'll now check the 4-figure table. Logarithm of 38 under 4 difference 1. So you pick up your 4-figure table, then you look for 38. 38 under 4 is 5843. Difference 1 is 1. So that is 5844. So you are going to write 5844 here. Now, here is going to be 19 under 3. 19 under 3 is 2856. So after getting the logarithm of the two numbers, you know this is multiplication, we add. So we add them together. 4 plus 6, 10. You take 1. This is 1 plus 4, 5 plus 5, 10 again. You take 1. 1 plus 8 is 9. 9 plus 8, 17. Then carry 1 again. 1 plus 5, 6 plus 2, that is 8. So this one now is minus 3 plus minus 2. If you write minus 3 plus minus 2, plus and minus will give us minus. So that means minus 3 minus 2. Minus 3 minus 2 is what? Minus 5. So that means here is going to give us bar 5. So we call it bar 5, not minus 5. So after adding and getting their sum, the last thing to do is to find the antilog of this number. So antilog 0.87 under 0. 0.87 under 0. That is 7413. 7413. So our final answer now will be 7.413 multiplied by 10 raised to power of what? Minus 5, because of this bar 5. Minus 5. Or if you are to write it in decimal form, it's going to be 0. You know, since we have bar 5 here, that means we'll have 4 zeros. Then the fifth digit will now be this 7. Then you put the remaining numbers. When you check your antilog and you get 7413, if you want to give your answer in this form, here is bar 5. So that means you are going to have 4 zeros. Then the fifth one will now be this first digit. But if you want to write it in standard form, it will just be 7.413 multiplied by 10 raised to power of minus 5. So this is how to multiply numbers less than 1 with the use of four-figure table. Thank you.